Hey guys, today I'm working with the matching Kenmore washer and electric dryer. Right now I've got this guy going on a heavy duty load. It is extra large capacity. Actually held quite a bit. So I've got that loaded down, jeans and towels. It's doing an excellent job. Getting those clothes nice and clean. The washer gets a 28-point inspection. The dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked and everything has to work perfect before it gets listed up for sale. Then I do this quick video so that you can see everything works great as if you're standing here yourself testing it out. Now on this particular one, the lid switch, I did go ahead and bypass the lid switch. It was busted, so I went ahead and just bypassed it because I don't have any on hand. $5 part though, if it's something you ever wanted to have put in. Very easy, quick fix, but otherwise professionally bypassed. And all that means is that if this is lifted up, the machine's not going to stop. So if you don't have kids, it's not really a big thing to worry about. If you do have kids, maybe this isn't the right one for you. Otherwise, this machine is a slim profile machine too. It'll fit in some tight spaces, same with the dryer. I'll show that next. But I'm going to show you that this, obviously you can see it fills up, agitates. I'm going to show you that it drains the water out like it should, and that it's got a nice, fast, smooth spin cycle. So we'll come back for the spin cycle and the draining, and we'll move on to the dryer. All right, and we are coming up on the final spin. You can hear it draining the water out. Nice and fast. I can actually lift this up and show you it's draining the water. And when it's done draining the water, it's going to kick in and into that final spin. And we'll give it takes a couple minutes to get up to full speed, so we'll come right back, show you that it's spinning nice and fast. All right, we are at full speed, and I can lift this up, show you it's spinning nice and fast. Getting all the water out of those clothes. All right, we'll let it finish up, then we'll move these clothes over to the dryer. All right, now I've got those clothes moved over here to the electric dryer. Get them shoved in there. We'll go ahead and shut the door. High heat on time dry. That'll work. Okay, now we've got those clothes moved over to the dryer here. We can close that up. We'll just do time dry, high heat, hit go. As you can see in here, sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Then I am going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement, so you can kind of see the difference between the floor and the machine. It changes wherever those red dots are. So we'll go ahead and open this up. We're going to shoot it right inside the heating element tube. You can see there's plenty of heat coming in from that tube. So the heating element is behind the panel here. Comes up out of that tube there, heats the inside of your dryer. Now the inside of your dryer is only going to get from about 95 up to 195. And that just depends on what you set your heat at here, because you have high heat, no heat, and then a low heat auto setting here. So I just kind of do time dry and let it go. So that's going to be it for these guys. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.